Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a sample journal for planning with useful pages to organize your days and write your shopping list, for example. Just open the journal app and then click on create sample journals, and then if you would like to plan, click on this planner template. Here are the pages. Click on use this journal, and after that you can freely edit its pages when you are ready with editing. And if you click on completed, save, then you can go back to the main page and you can see that now you have this planner template or planner journal. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful.